moved on the back of news. One of them is Kernex Micro. Why is Kernex up 5% in trade? Anushi is joining us to tell us the latest on that stock. Anushi, good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon, Neeraj. A significant order win is what has moved the stock in trade today. Now, if you look at Kernex, they've received an order worth about 2,041 crore by Chitranjan Locomotive Works. This pertains to supply, installation, testing and commissioning of 2,500 sets on board of Kavach equipment. That is what we are seeing. And this order is to be delivered by December 25. So, very short period of time, 1 year period of time we are looking at, and a significant order at the best that we are speaking, because if you look at the FY24 revenue of the company, that was at 20 crore, which was 5 times the growth. And even if you look at H1 FY25 performance, they had clocked in about 70 crore of revenue this quarter as compared to 2.37 crore. So 29 times of growth we are looking at in terms of revenue in the first half. EBITDA was also at 15.1 crore and margins at 21.6% of a range. Market cap of this company is around 1,900 crore. So just taking this kind of an order size into consideration is what is working out for the company, for not just today, for even for the longer term as we speak. In fact, in their outlook forward, the company had mentioned in the previous conversation that they had with us around June and July that they expect to achieve about 700 to 800 crore of revenue this year and are expecting around 10,000 crore worth of tenders from the Kavach side as we speak. There are 2 more players in this space, which also includes the likes of HBL Power, one of the names being that. So even that is up in trade today. So definitely watch out would be on more of these Kavach orders as we speak, and a significant order that Kernex is seeing today, and why the stock is up in trade.
Okay. Thanks a lot for that. So, Anushi, just very quickly, you mentioned that the company is expecting 10,000 crores worth of orders. Is this the first of that, or has something else come in the recent past too for Kernex?
So if we look at the past in Kavach, what we are seeing is that this essentially is one of the latest developments as we speak.
Okay.
So yeah, so the outlook would be on what the future would be, especially considering H2, which is more on the order heavier side for these kind of businesses.
Yeah, Anushi. Thanks for putting that into perspective. Neeraj Devan, independent market expert with us on the show as well. Neeraj, I mean, it's a small bucket, but these companies, anybody which is winning these government orders or getting large orders are doing well, right? On the defense, on the railway side, we saw that happen with Solar Industries 3-4 days back. Large market cap, 2,000 crore export order did very well. Now, Kernex, small company, but a large 2,000 crore order doing well. It's already spurred some of the other potential Kavach order victors as well, the likes of HBL Power up in trade. Have you looked at this space at all?
Yeah, good afternoon. I think if you talk about Kernex, which had been buzzing because of this likely orders which will going to come their way, the stock is already close to 2,000 crore market cap without any revenue being coming so far. But now the orders have started coming and they can be huge orders. So maybe what is looking very expensive right now, will look moderately expensive if you're getting this kind of order, and somewhere down the line, if they get more orders, the company will not look that expensive. So there are a lot of potential opportunities like this in the market. Even HBL you mentioned, they also have one division which is into Kavach and railway security. So they also expecting good orders. So they have other businesses also which are doing considerably well for them. So I feel that wherever there is a likelihood and there's a visibility of order inflow, I think the stocks will remain at a premium. So, you may get some correction, you may get some entry, but still that premium is inbuilt, whether it's railway related stock, whether it's defense related stock, whether it's electronic manufacturing services. There are segments where, these lumpy orders come, and some orders are for long period, like they can be for the next 3, 4, 5 years, which, it can make the valuation over a little longer term not that expensive. So I think there is growth, so you have to pay for the growth in some of these companies.